animals, animals, zoo animals. A is for alligator, alligator. A is for alligator. B is for baboon, baboon, baboon. B is for baboon. C is for cheetah, cheetah. C is for cheetah. D is for deer, deer. D is for deer. These are zoo animals, animals, zoo animals. E is for elephant, elephant. E is for elephant. F is for flamingo, flamingo. F is for flamingo. G is for giraffe, giraffe. G is for giraffe. H is for hippo, hippo. H is for hippo. These are zoo animals, animals, zoo animals. I is for iguana, iguana. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar, jaguar. J is for jaguar. K is for koala, koala. K is for koala. L is for lion, lion. L is for lion. These are zoo animals, animals, zoo animals. M is for meerkat, meerkat. M is for meerkat. N is for narwhal, narwhal. N is for narwhal. O is for orangutan, orangutan. O is for orangutan. P is for panda, panda. P is for panda. These are zoo animals, animals, zoo animals. Q is for quokka, quokka. Q is for quokka. R is for rhinoceros, rhinoceros. R is for rhinoceros. S is for snake, snake. S is for snake. T is for tiger, tiger. T is for tiger. U is for uriel, uriel. U is for uriel. V is for vulture, vulture. V is for vulture. W is for walrus, walrus. W is for walrus. X for xerus, xerus. X is for xerus. Y is for yak, yak. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. Z is for zebra. These are zoo animals, animals, zoo animals. We met them all from A to Z. They growl and giggle, jump and run. Learning at the zoo is so much fun.